This is now our old bed frame. It's pretty bad. Of course, it was a cheap one. We bought it about 10 years ago. I think the main problem is that it's very cheap, thin wood. It will move everywhere. It will make noises. One main problem is that this wood here is very thin and it will bend. Sometimes it will bend so much that this frame will drop down. One thing what I remembered wrong. This frame, I thought this is metal, but it's not metal, it's wood. When this will bend, this will drop down, and that's why I had to use some tricks here. For example, something like this, that I will strap this on here so it won't, it can't kind of bend. All this stuff, like these here, it's just because this will make lots of noises. I think I just have to take this apart. Now the scary part, those frames gonna fit. Perfect! here we need something which is coming against the wall. Actually, this whole thing is touching the wall carpet. This will be also stopper for this box, that it's not going any further. Good. Four nights later, it's perfect. It feels so different, even if we didn't change these frames. It feels so much stronger, it's more stable. It won't make any noises when you hop in. It won't move. That's just great. I think the main problem with this old bed was this headboard. If you move here, it will make noises. If you lean on it, it will make noises. That was so bad. But this one, it's so stable, it won't move at all. That's perfect. I'm very happy about it. One more project is done. Next one is already waiting. And actually, that idea came from one of my viewers in the comments.